Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create a mirror shack effect in CapCut apps. So you can tap on your project, select your photo or video you like to edit, and for example I'm going to open the project, which is there is a photo here, and I'm just going to copy paste to for clip. And for the second clip I'm just going to edit and mirror, and at last I'm just going to edit and mirror and after done I'm just going to make it shorter in 1 second. Alright, after done I'm just going to add the effect. So select effect and select video back and select the nightclub. Just add camera shock, change the ring and the speed, check mark and adjust for the duration. Here we go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.